Step into the 2006 BMW Z4 3.0C. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include cruise control, engine immobilizer, ABS, power steering, bucket seats, stability control, traction control, and remote trunk release. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.